type of prohibitions and restrictions as we discussed for other cases. Grid blasting. Are you going to do grid blasting or painting?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, so we'll put R1 because source of ignition. This is the allowed. This will be prohibited emergency and mock drill.
Insulation
This
is not applicable. Insulation you can remove.
sorry,
Insulation is not applicable.
insulation not applicable. Okay, very good.
But we will allow grid blasting at the same time that we are doing normal operations in the area.
No,
It's
this
not
will be
allowed.
done. Yeah, it is not done. It will, all spools will be prefabricated outside. There itself, they will do these things. Only thing, one weldolet flange will be welded in situ. That is, they will use
Operations.
sorry,
After welding,
using buffing machine, they will clean that area and apply the paint there locally.
Santosh, there is one question from Oscar. If in case you need to do the grid blasting, so when you are doing grid blasting nearby, can you allow operation? Answer is yes or no.
that is what Lakshmi sir mentioned. Na? Sir, that spool will be fabricated in the fabrication yard. They will do the blasting. After that, they will do the painting and they will bring it to the site and they will install, sir. These are all plunge joint like that. Sir is telling, sir.
Yes. I understand.
What I'm telling is, let's say another way. Typically, we are not allowed grid blasting and blasting inside the plant. This shall be done outside. Okay? If by any chance we need to do this grid blasting or sandblasting inside the plant, the area will be barricaded, isolated, and